Where'd you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Way back yonder a long time ago, Daddy had a man called Cotton Eye Joe. Flew into town on a traveling show. Nobody.
Good morning. I'll do a little talking this morning about some things when I was younger. One time we went to a little church. It's the Church of Christ in Ozark, Alabama. And there was a fellow that went there. He sometimes got into some mischievous things. And I won't call his name. I'll just call him Will for short, because mainly to protect the guilty. But anyway, one time we were having a protracted, they call it protracted meetings. A lot of people call them revivals these days, but somehow or another back then they were a little bit opposed to calling them revivals. So they call them protracted meetings because they met every night, and probably on Sunday during the day, and then every night for 3 days or maybe a week's time. And we had lessons and usually had a visiting preacher. And I don't remember the preacher's name. I think his name was something like Huffington or Huffington, I believe it was. Anyway, he was preaching away one time, and what had happened, this boy sometimes got in trouble, and he set an alarm clock in the pulpit. And well, the preacher had just got down to getting it summed up and really getting his point across, and he's going to give the invitation. And the alarm clock went off, and he was so befuddled and startled until the preacher wasn't able to finish his sermon. He just sat down and let that be it. So that's one of those incidences where you remember that things happen like that.